Hey YouTube, Mike here. Just got a new wind turbine here, Hummingbird. I think the model is 3.8 2K. So I set it up on a freestanding pole. This is a 4-inch pole, and then it is reduced on the top to 3-inch. I set it up yesterday, but I noticed we had a little wind today, and this was shaking quite a bit. I had to shut it off. So I am gonna have to tie it down and try again. As you can see here, it tracks very well with very little wind. Today is not a windy day, but here's the smaller one here, the WindMax. That's turning, but it takes a little more wind here to get this one. Yeah, it takes a little more wind to get this one going, but once it starts, it seems to be running very well. Except for the vibration, I guess, when it starts going fast, and then the whole pole begins to shake, so I had to shut it down. So what I want to do is to get a little footage of how much vibration it has, and then I want to shoot another video as to when I tie it down, if that will make any difference. I hope it will, because this is shaking quite a bit. Okay, this is the charge controller with resistors built in. Quite a big box, and everything is built in there. On the side we have the brake, which is what I had to shut off, and the brake works very well. It really applies the brake there, so that seems to be working very well. Among other turbines I've had, when you put the brakes, it takes a while to stop, but this puts on the brake right away and you hear the squealing. So it has a lot of stop power. So again, I'll wait till it starts spinning again. Let's look at the shake and see what happens. Okay, here we go. It's spinning now. If you look at the tail, you'll see it's shaking quite a bit, and the wind has been changing direction all day, so this thing spins all around. But it's not so much wind right now, so it's not shaking much. But if the wind picks up, then we'll see it start shaking quite a bit. So let me just let this run a little while and see if the wind will pick up or not. The turbine is very quiet, I find. For those size blades, usually they make quite a bit of sound or noise, but this one seemed to be alright. The wind picked up quite a bit earlier, and I heard them. It wasn't noisy to say. If you look at the tail, you'll see the shaking quite a bit there, and there's not much wind. So I want to believe that pole needs to be a little more steady, or the blades need to be balanced, but there's no play on those blade holes. Those holes are very tight, and there's no space for anything to move around there. I made sure I tightened everything. All the bolts are tight, so I guess that leaves us with the pole. I remember some time ago this one used to do that until I tied it down. So I'm guessing I'll have to do the same thing here. But I was thinking with a 4-inch pole that wouldn't be necessary, but it seemed that I'm wrong. So anyway, that's what it looks like, and I will buy some guide wires and we'll try to tie it down, dig some holes for support and tie it down and see what happens. Till then, bye bye.